Yo, I'm back with the channel. It has been a very long time since I posted something in here. A lot of things have changed. As you guys can see, I'm in Top Step right now. I'm trying to pass a 50k account. And honestly, since the last time that I was in the channel, I told you guys I was going to change strategy, I believe. And I moved into futures. So I switched from forex to futures. Now I'm trading only NASDAQ and S&P 500, but mainly NASDAQ. And also now I only trade on Top Step. No any other prop firms I'm out, only Top Step. And basically I changed my strategy, and you guys will see after on the trade recaps and stuff. I'll try to explain it better, and I'll try to be consistent on the channel. I'll try to post every single trade. Probably not live because live takes a long time, so I'm gonna post them like later as a trade recap and maybe some other content on the channel. I don't know yet, but for example, I have blown 6 times the 50k funded. This is because I full port, so basically the forex trade that I take for the eval, right, which I haven't passed yet, I full port 1,500, throw it in the bitch. If it does play out good, I need one more trade to pass the account. If it doesn't, I will probably blow the account. I would have $500 left, but between blowing the account and having $500 left, I'd rather fucking blow the account. I don't want to be trading like a slow ass. And I'm doing this because after I get a payout, which is probably gonna be about $1,000 on the 50k, because it's 50% on Top Step. It's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it. I haven't paid any activation fee since I didn't pass any eval. This is my 6th funded. I have blown 5 before, so this is my 6th one. And today I'm gonna try to see if there's any trades to take. I'm gonna be more responsible. I actually will not even touch my phone until 11 o'clock, which is usually when I hop off the charts. This is because before I was using my phone, I was texting people and stuff, and I was like, just using my phone in general, and I felt like I was being distracted. Also, I was getting impatient. So now I'm literally gonna sit my ass in here and I'm gonna look at the charts for an hour and a half. I start to trade at 9:36 minimum. So before that, I take it as pre-market candles, so I don't take any trades. And I will trade until 11 o'clock, so that's about like an hour and a half almost. Yeah, that's pretty much it. My trades usually don't take like long at all. It's usually like pretty quick, maximum 10 minutes, but usually it's about 1 to 3 1-minute candles, so 3 minutes maximum. But I have seen some trades take like 10 minutes. That's why I'm saying 10 minutes. So I think I will cut back if I take any trades today in New York session. I put some music on and I try to relax, just look at the charts more patiently. For the day, I'm bearish. I believe we will try to go at least for these lows in here, and then maybe those lows potentially to close the gap. We have a 1-day gap in there, also, so we could go, but I believe that we'll for sure go until here. I'm bearish, but it doesn't really matter. Like, I don't really have a daily bias on my new model, so I just usually go with the flow, go with the momentum. Yeah, and that's about it. So I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna pause now, and I'm gonna come back if I find any trades, and if I do, I'm gonna explain it. And yeah, hopefully I don't blow one more account, but I'll try to be patient and only take A+ setups. And even if I fuck it up, even if I blow 10 more fundeds, I'm gonna show up in the channel and say, dude, I fucked up. I blew 10 more fundeds, and I'm being that honest here. I'm gonna promise that, because maybe this way I also get more like disciplined, and I take this shit more seriously. Even though it's just $50 for a 50k funded, it's about the time and the bad habits that I'm creating. So lately, even though I have been trading good, it just takes 1 day for you to fuck up your funded account, at least the way I trade. So yeah, I'm gonna come back soon. All right, see you guys. Yo guys, I'm back and I'm pissed, but I'm gonna tell you guys first what happened so you guys can understand. So as I said before, I was bearish for the day, okay, and I think I will be bearish for the next days too. But at least we're on the first 4 hour gap. Sorry, I told you guys I would think that we would go, and we did. We did go to the 4 hour gap, as you guys can see in here. Now, why am I pissed? So basically, okay, looking at the 5 minute. No, sorry. Let's go on the hourly chart. Okay, hourly chart today. We had these lows. We had those lows, and those lows. Okay, so those 4 lows. We start and we shit the bed. Okay, I'm looking at the 5 minute chart because I don't want to look at the 1 minute. Once we displace until down here, I start looking at the smaller time frames. But okay, we sweep the one low, we go straight to the other low. No entrances for my model. You guys can see here. There's no gap taps, no nothing. Okay, 3 minute, same thing. So we sweep just straight past these lows. Once we come to those lows, to these lows on the line here, I want to look for a trade. Why? Because we created a 3 minute gap. Okay. We had a 5 minute gap. No, sorry. We didn't have a 5 minute gap. We had a 1 minute gap. Yeah. So we had a 1 minute gap on this area, as you guys can see here. And we also had this 1 minute gap in here. Okay. I entered on the first gap. Why? Because on the whole day, we just displaced lower, lower, lower with no gap taps. This was the fucking first gap tap I had on the whole day. And we were literally so close to the fucking lows, okay? We were so close to the lows. So what do? Once we tap into this gap, okay? So we tap into the gap. I entered on trade right here. Okay, full ported the account, $1,500 trade, and I had my stop loss. I think it was there. It was like a 1-to-1, very solid, something like that. Okay, a little bit below the TPs. And when I look, price, fucking nice, right? Fucking nice. Here it was like a high time. Here we topped the 5 minute gap, but honestly, you see 5 minute gap here, but price was going very nice. I swear I entered the trade, bro. Look at this shit. We took 22 candles to sweep the lows. 22 candles to sweep the lows. I entered the trade, okay? I'm not mad that I got stopped out, okay? I'm not mad that I got stopped out. I got stopped out. Part of the job for me was an A setup. It wasn't an A+ setup because we had that 1 minute gap above there too, and the 3 minute. So it would be an A+ if we didn't have those, only these. But okay, took my fucking trade, like very scalpy. That's because that's my new way to trade. Let's say very scalpy, with a 1 minute gap tap. Sometimes barely I trade with invalidations on the 5 minute time frame or 3 minute. But okay, I entered the trade, got stopped out with a crazy wick. I don't even know what the fuck was that. We're ranging around here, and then out of nowhere, boom, stops me out, and then it comes back down. But I'm not angry about that. That's why I'm not. That's why it's part of the game to lose. I really don't care to lose. Like I lost, I was like, okay, I'm gonna blow the funded. I put a 1-to-3. I put a 1-to-3 trade, just to lose the last $500. And I won it. I won a fucking 1-to-3, unfortunately. So I still need trade on this shit account. But I don't care about the $50. I don't care about anything, okay? Why the fuck does price do this shit, bro? I'm not joking, guys. 22 candles to sweep the lows when we're like right under them. Like that is ridiculous. That is fucking ridiculous. And also, like, my model is being literally inversed by the market. Like the market is dipping and not giving me any interests on my particular model. Also, the people that trade on my mentor group and stuff, my friend, there was no entrances, okay? On the only like liquidity sweep, which is this one, that had an entrance, like a gap tap or like something likely like that, it starts chopping around for 22 candles. Like that is fucking bad. That made me angry. Because logically, okay, after we tapped into this 3-minute gap, if I didn't took the first trade, I was gonna take this trade, okay? Oh, pardon me. I was gonna take this trade probably. So solid like 1 to 1.2, or I could even have made it a little bit bigger, like a 1 to 1 or something like that. I was gonna take that one, but look how fucking long it took to hit TP. This is so dumb, very dumb. And price has done that so many times like recently. So for my model, we're being cooked, okay? But as I said, I took the first loss, the first one I explained to you guys, you know, from this gap tap. And then once I saw this fucking shit right there that you guys just saw, right? The 3-minute gap tap, and the bearish part out of it. I entered with a 1 to 3. This was fucking lucky, okay? I entered like a 1 to 3. It was like something like this or something. I don't know. It was like something like that. Either my stop loss was a little bit tighter. I don't know, but I feel like we were like about 1 or maybe 3 ticks maximum from my SL. So it was probably like some shit like this, okay? And then now let me show you to you guys actually. So right now I'm break even, okay? I'm basically break even. I took a $1,500 loss, and then I took a $1,440 win with a 1 to 3, risking $500, which was the left on the account. But it's just very like annoying the last month of price action that we have been having for my model, like. And I hoped on the funded like a month ago. You know, my friend had like 2 weeks of very good price action, you know. And then when I hoped on the funded, I swear guys, we had one Monday that was a good trade. That was a good price action day. I took it. I won twice. Then we didn't have any good trades on the rest of the week. On the other Monday, it was another good day of price action. But for me, I didn't know that New York was going to open 1 hour before on the country that I live, which is Turkey. Usually New York used to open at 5:30 o'clock p.m. and it opened at 4:30 p.m. So I lost the day. And there was good trades. After that, no trades. Price has been shit for my model at least. And I can count literally like 4 times probably in 30 days or 3 times in 30 days that price action was good or decent for my model or for my eyes. People in the group are also saying that, and the other traders also with other models are saying that price action is being Trump price action. But anyway, I'm yapping a lot in this video. I'm just basically gonna say I'm back and I'm break even for today. So I didn't blow the account, but I was ready to blow the account. I don't really care about the accounts. You know, I don't care about the money. I know that one payout and everything is covered for sure. But it's just annoying that 22 candles to fucking sweep the liquidity that looked so obvious. And if you look at the 1 hour also, like, look at that shit. We literally, like, once we closed this one, guys. Okay, we closed that one. We closed that gap. We closed that. We closed all the gaps. We invalidated all the gaps. So this fucking lows were so free. Were so free. Like, so free. And price decided to fucking chop as fuck. Like, as fuck. But yeah, that's the video. If you guys can, please subscribe and like the channel. I'm gonna post more videos. I don't know if this is gonna be every day. I'm gonna post every time I take a trade. So, you know, there will be a trade recap. If you guys have any suggestions or anything to ask, tell me out and I'm gonna come back. But today I'm annoyed. Even though I should be unemotional, I'm annoyed. Not because I lost, not because I'm break even or nothing, just because of this shit that happened. Okay? And it has been happening many days, it's not just today. But yeah, see you guys. Good luck for you guys on this fucking price action days. Peace.